Welcome back. Today we'll see TP-Link TL-SG105S 2.5G Ethernet network switch unboxing video. This is the 2.5G which has multi-gigabit speed. So if your internet ISP is providing as per your plan up to 2.5 Gbps connection, then this is the network switch to go for instead of gigabit switches. Gigabit switches are usually limited up to 1 gigabit speed, but ideally, if it is connected, we would get only up to 930 Mbps max, kind of as per the user scenario. And 2.5G switches usually go beyond 1 Gbps speed when directly connected over wired. We get close to around 2 Gbps or 1.6 Gbps, depending upon which type of uh, device it's connected to, or whether your device is having 2.5G Ethernet port as well. Otherwise, it is limited to the lowest speed. Here, uh, when we unboxed, we got the user manual, the power adapter, installation guide, the small leaflet for installation or quick start. So this is the TP-Link Ethernet switch itself. It's made of metal and it has got perforations on both sides for airflow. So there is a power adapter, it is wall mountable, and it has got 5 ports here. Each one supports 2.5G. This is the power adapter, and these are for stably placing it on